Initially, the raw flax seeds undergo cleaning in a seed cleaner to remove impurities such as dust, stones, and other foreign materials. Following this, the seeds are crushed using a roller mill or flaking machine, which breaks them down into smaller flakes to enhance oil extraction efficiency. The crushed seeds then proceed to an expeller press, where mechanical pressure squeezes out the crude oil. At this stage, the oil still contains impurities like gums, waxes. To refine the crude oil, it moves through a degumming system, which removes phospholipids and other gum-like substances by adding water or acids. Subsequently, the oil enters the neutralization phase, where free fatty acids are eliminated using caustic soda or another alkali solution. Afterward, the next step involves deodorization, where the oil is heated under vacuum conditions to evaporate undesirable odors and flavors. Some advanced systems also include winterization equipment, which cools the oil to separate waxes and improve purity. Finally, each piece of equipment in this comprehensive production line plays a crucial role in producing premium quality flaxseed oil. By integrating these technologies, manufacturers can ensure their products meet both consumer expectations and regulatory standards. Additionally, modern refineries often incorporate automation and control systems to optimize performance, reduce labor costs,